Hello guys, welcome to the OnlineITtuts.com. My name is Asif Ali. In this video I'm going to show you how we can create populate combo box. So I have opened the SQL Server and Visual Studio SQL Server has opened. So I want to make the project to create the combo box. Multiple combo box means populate combo boxes. So let's get started. Go to file, new project, enter the project name, for example populate combo boxes, and drag and drop combo boxes, for example combo box 1, and a label. I change the label name. Okay, property, name, country, and then change the combo box name CMB country, and I copy it and paste here. After the first combo box, I make another combo box and enter the combo box name province CMB province, right? And then finally I copy the third combo box, right? Change the name city, and CMB city means combo box city, right? So I open my SQL Server and new query, use my tutorial database, create a database to create another table. First table name is country and integer, column name int, country ID integer, primary key, identity, and then 1 by 1, and then country name, type virtual, okay. The country table has already available in tutorial database, so I use another database tutorial, and then the query here I change the name, make another database, copy it and paste here and use this database, and I run the query to create the table like query country, sorry, and then I need to create another table province ID integer, primary key, identity, and 1 by 1, province name, type virtual, and finally I make another column to make a relationship between country table and province table. So I make a column name CID integer, foreign, key references, and table name country, paste here, and column name, copy and paste. Select the query, run the query. Okay, I make another parenthesis here and create another table city and city ID, integer primary key identity 1 by 1, and then city name, type varchar, and then I make a relationship between city and province, right? So I need to create their column name like is pro ID, integer, foreign key references, and table name, and then column name, right? So after the creating database and then tables, we need to make a connection between SQL Server and Visual Studio C#. So I go to my C# and Windows Form application project and double click on form, and then I need to import the library to make a connection, and then I create the connection SQL connection on equal to new SQL connection, and I call data source initial catalog and integrated security. Integrated security is true, right? And data source, I go to my SQL Server and connection portion, copy the server name and paste initial catalog. My database name is tutorial 4, copy it and paste initial catalog, write the terminator, close the terminator here, and write the backslash, right? Then we need to make another SQL data adapter to read the data, and data table, we are required to store the data in data table, right? So I use this combo box to load the form to display the country values on this combo box. So what I can do, there are very simple process to load the combo box values in country table. So first step, you need to go on form load portion, curly brackets, between the curly brackets you need to write the code ADPT new SQL adapter and run the query, select static from your table name. My table name is country, copy country name and paste here. After the country table, you need to call connection, and first we need to call connection open, right? And then call again dt means data table, here data table object, and call adpt dot fill, and enter the dt means data table, and then call combobox country combobox dot data source to assign dt, right? But we need to load the country column values, so you need to write the combobox country dot display member and enter the column name. My column name is I run the query to check the column name, country name, here column name is country name, right? So I need to write country underscore name, then we need to write combo box again, and value member, enter the first column name. First column name is country ID, right? Country ID, that's it. Save the file, run the project, but I think I do not insert the record on first column, so I open this SQL Server to insert the record in country table. Insert into country values Pakistan, and then USA, and then UK, right? And I go to my Visual Studio and run the project. Here you can see it, the record has display on the combo box, country combo box. So I want to change the selection, then province values display on this combo box. So I just need to click on first combo box, go to property and event portion, select index change event, double click on it, then you need to write the code. I close the connection. Then you need to write the first, you need to create the variable integer con id, convert dot to int, enter the combo box name. My combo box name country dot country combo box value id will get on this variable, then we will use this variable on below. So first we need to get the country combo box values to assign the con id variable. So you need to write this code, cmb selected value dot to string, right? And then you need to call adpt new SQL adapter, write the query, select static from your province table name is, copy province table name, paste here, and write again here where province table id column name is, I check the column name province id, so you need to write province id, and you need to write double commas, double plus sign, and copy the first this variable and paste here, right? And then call con, that's it. Then we need to write the data table and adpt dot fill dt, and then call cmb province dot data source and assign dt. Then call combo box province dot display member, enter the column name province name, province underscore name, and then cmb province dot display value member, and enter the first column name. First column name is province id, so you need to write the province id, that's it. But you need to con open and then con close. Before the run the project, we need to insert the record on province table. So I copy the first query and province and enter the province, for example Sindh, and then call 1 and then right, Okay, I check the I use because I do not use the connection open. Okay, I use try catch and close the connection. Ex message box dot show to display the message. Okay, let's check it. Here you can see it, the record has display on the second combo box, but I think we are created the mistake where our mistake combo box country combo box selected value dot string, and then I need to select from provides ID. I check the CID. I change the CID. So this is a mistake. Here you can see it, the record has displayed. So I close the exception, save the file. Pakistan, here the records displayed on province table, right? After the creating province combo box values to display the values, then we need to change the province combo box selection. The cities value display on this combo box, so we need to select second column combo box and generate the event on this portion. Then we need to enter the values in city table. So I use Karachi, Rabat, and then Larkana, right? Then we need to write the same way to display the value in country box combo box. So I call again con int PRID, because this is a variable, convert that to int, and cmb province dot selected value dot to string, and then you need to write adpt and run the query, select historic from city where, and then I check the third column name, PROID, right? So we need to write PRO underscore ID and double commas, double plus sign, and assign PRID here. This variable assign here, right? Then call con, that's it. Call data table and assign adpt dot field to data table, and then call the combo box city dot data source dt, right? And then we need to write cmb city dot display member, column name, city name, and then cmb dot value member, third column name, third column id, PROID, right? Let's check it. Okay, I use trackage. Okay, where is a mistake? Select state from city, web, pro ID, selected value, and then city name, and then I think city ID. I use city ID. Okay, I check again. No, I think display member, value member, and then where CID, and then call. That's fine, but where are created mistake? So I check the mistake. And then display member, city ID, city name, and then pro ID. I think I use exception to check the error. Here you can see it, the record has display on third combo box, but I think I changed the selection on province table, then the country table has displayed. So why combo box? Okay, okay, I remove the exception message, then I check the application again. Here you can see the working, the combo box values has showed on our screen as well, right? But I do not use USA and UK values to display on here, because I do not any knowledge about USA and UK province names and country names. So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you and next video and